Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fade text in and out in DaVinci Resolve. This is a simple but powerful effect that adds a professional polish to your videos, making your text appear and disappear smoothly rather than just popping on screen abruptly. To get started, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've launched the program, you'll see several workspace options at the bottom of your screen. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you to the editing interface where you'll have access to all the tools needed for adding and customizing your text. Now let's add some text to your timeline. Look toward the top left of your screen and click on Effects. This opens up a library of visual elements you can incorporate into your project. From the options available, click on Titles. You'll see different text templates appear, but for this tutorial, we want the basic text option. Go ahead and drag text directly onto your timeline. Once it's there, you can adjust how long the text appears on screen by clicking and dragging its edges to increase or decrease the width. With the text now on your timeline, click on it to select it. Then look to the top right of the screen and click on Inspector. This panel is where you can modify the properties of your text. You'll see a text field there where you can type in whatever message you want to display. Go ahead and edit the text to fit your needs. Now that your text is set up, it's time to add the fade effects. Head back to the Effects panel on the top left. This time, on the left side of the effects library, click on Video Transitions. This section contains all the transition effects you can apply between clips or to individual elements. Scroll through the options until you find Additive Dissolve. This transition creates a smooth fade effect that works perfectly for text. Click and drag Additive Dissolve to the very start of your text clip on the timeline. You'll see it attach itself to the beginning. If you want to control how quickly the text fades in, click on the effect you just added and adjust its duration by dragging its width. Making it wider creates a slower, more gradual fade, while a shorter width makes it quicker. To create the fade-out effect, drag another instance of Additive Dissolve, but this time place it at the end of your text clip. Just like before, you can click on this transition and adjust its duration by dragging to make the fade-out happen at the speed you prefer. Now go ahead and play the clip back to see your work in action. You should see your text fade in smoothly at the start and fade out gently at the end, creating a polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.